Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to add an appointment booking to your WordPress website. And it's a very quick and easy way to add that. And you need to add your plugin on obviously on your WordPress. So what plugins we are using? So it's only one out there, and it's very easy to add, very easy. But you can see over here it worth around $80. So you just need to click on that and it will give you a file which you need to download on your obviously on your PC. So I don't think it's that bad, this $80, because the things they are providing, the like all the accessibilities they are providing, all those features, in my opinion it's one of the best. And if you scroll down you can see some major collabs, not collabs, I guess, big companies out there which they are using. And it's very easy to do that. So once you install that, after buying this, so you will end up over here. Like obviously you need to open your WordPress, and that's a plugin, right? So we are going to click on plugin, add new. So once you are here, you don't need to search anything over here, just click on upload plugins. So after that, what you need to do, I'm just going to open that file from my keyboard, obviously, not keyboard, sorry, PC. So this is my file, booknetic, and I'm just going to drag it over here and upload it. And it will take some time, but it will be installed. So if I click on install now, and you can see it start processing, and here we are. Just click on activate plugin, obviously, and it will take you right over here. And the first thing you can see that booknetic has been installed. It's very easy, right? After that, what you need to do, you can just click on booknetic. You can see there's a separate options or separate option over here. Click on booknetic and it will take you right over here. So it's very easy, right? Everything is going very smooth. So you can see there are multiple options over here which you can do ahead and do every single thing out there. And there are some options also over here. So obviously all the payments, all the duration, revenue, and new customers, it will be tracked, and everything will be on your dashboard. It's very easy. So you can see this is the options. These are the options which you need to fill out before we go further. Why I'm saying that? Because these are the things which, like, these are the things are going to play a big role on appointment booking. So obviously you can just click on this little icon and it will close. Click on company details, and you need to add your company details, right? So this will be the page, the front page, right? So for this tutorial, I'm just going to minimize this. I'm just going to write like t-shirts, and write down your address 123, write down your number 03123456, just for this tutorial, right? And website www.123231.com, and display a company logo on the booking panel. If you want to show that, you can also show that, and you can also upload your company like profile picture. So this will be your first page, and click on save changes. It will be saved, right? And if you see that over here, you can see that we have business hours also over here. Click on business hours, and it will take you right over here, and you can see it will be like you can see the green check, like you have completed those details, right? Why business hours already checked in? Because you need to add your like timings, right? So Monday I'm available from 9 to, what do we say, 6 p.m, right? So I'm available. You can add break also if you want, like how much like on in which time you are going to take a break, so you can also add that. And on Tuesday I'm just going with this like 10 10:10. I will be available on 10:10, and I will get off on 16 p.m. So it's very easy. You just need to add your details over here, like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You need to add details, and every single thing is very easy to add. You need to add your details, right? So Saturday, Sunday is off, add day off. Simple is that, and that's it. After that, you need to create your location, right? Click on location, and here we are. And how you can do that, you can just click on add location, and it's very unique way to add your locations, right? Click on location name, Fifth Avenue. Just for this tutorial sake, I'm just writing every single thing randomly. You can add your image also, so like how it will look like. And address 123, 321 Fifth Avenue, right? And you can add your phone number, description if you want to add that, and simple as that. Click on add location. You can add more locations over here, like I'm just going to do that. Not Fifth Avenue, I'm just going with the what do we say, let's go with like um downtown. You can add image, right? Same number, different description. That's it. Add location, you can add address. Obviously I forgot that you can edit it also. From here you can just add that. uh, Downtown, save. Simple. It's very simple. It's going very smooth. You need to add your locations, you need to add your company details, business hours. Very easy, right? Create your staff. So this is where you are going to add your staff. Add staff, and here we are. You can add your staff name, full name, profession, phone number, and your like emails and every single thing. Allow login, um image, locations, and all the things where whatever your staff has. And you can add the scheduling, special days, holidays. You can also add that. So I'm not going to do that every single thing, because you get the idea like what I'm trying to say. And create service. The last one is create service, right? So the last one is obviously services. So how you can add services, like if someone click on categories, you can add like t-shirts, printed, right? Because we were doing t-shirts, right? And after that you can just click on over here and click on plus. So what are the services, like what is t-shirts, like what does it mean, right? Click on services and you can add more detail, like what service name, t-shirt, right? T-shirt printed, and how it will look like. You can also add that, which staff will like obviously handle them, and timesheet and extra if you want to add things extra, how much that costs, and settings, and all the details. You can also add that, and you can give them a nod, your customers, they can see that. It's very easy. Add service, and that's it. So after that, every single thing, if all the things have been done, I'm just going with this because I'm not going to waste all the time over here. You get the idea how you can add that. After this, what you need to do, you need to go at pages, and I'm going to create a new page for this tutorial, right? Click on new, and obviously you can add that to your website, your existing website, right? So I'm just going to wait for a while, and here we are. I'm just going to write appointment, and from here you just click on this plus icon and search for what, booknetic. It's very easy, right? You can see all the booknetic options are over here. So choose booking panel, and you can see we can leave that as well, and go ahead and click on schedule, and obviously publish. So we need to view that, right? Click on view page, and here we are. So we have added this page, right? Fifth Avenue and downtown. If we had added images, you can see over here. Like if I want to go at like Fifth Avenue, you can do that. You can see we have no staff. Obviously you can add that. I didn't add that, so go ahead and click on next step, and you can add services, add services extras, date time information, every single thing which we have added. I don't know, like obviously we need to add services and staff also. So we have no staff over here, so you get the idea how we can add that. So this is how you are going to create your appointment booking website on like WordPress, right? So Booknetic is a great way and is a great tool to do that. And I hope you understand every single thing. You need to download a file for the booknet. It's very easy. Go ahead and buy that and just plug in. Go ahead and click on plugin and upload that. And after that, it's very easy. You just need to put your own details. That's it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.